This is Kilo, and I have a troll problem. So, some of you guys might remember back, I think it was video 63 or 64, but I talked about a troll on my channel. He didn't like that I made a video about hardware store keys versus keys cut at a lock shop. And he went on this like forever rant about how you should only ever go to a hardware store and never go to a lock shop because lock shops just rip you off. Then a lot of my subscribers and viewers would comment on my channel, and he started to kind of bother and attack them anytime they, you know, told him like, hey, that's not true. Like, because this guy was kind of going really off the walls. And some of you guys are locksmiths in the comments, and some of you were kind of bothered by him, and many of you guys blocked him, and then many asked, I should go ahead and kind of remove him from the channel as he's just kind of harping on everybody. So he came back under many more accounts. He has like 1,000 accounts apparently. And he came back and he told everybody that he's actually been a locksmith for like 10 years and that we all don't know anything and he knows everything and blah, blah, blah. So I went ahead and blocked him again, but he has just too many channels. Like, this guy has a lot of channels. And my last video that I just put up about our giveaway received like almost 30 dislikes in like a matter of 1 minute. And if you guys go through all my videos, I have like barely any dislikes on those videos. So this guy is really trying to troll the channel. So I just wanted to put this out there to let you guys know, in case you see some random videos. It started with the last video on the Ilco versus JMAs. I got 3 dislikes for the 3 accounts that he was trolling me with. So every time I blocked it, I'd get a dislike, and I would kind of seen a pattern. Now all of a sudden I had like almost 30 dislikes, and somebody just texted me and said now it's down to like 17. So he's kind of doing like a purge dislike thing on my channel. Not really sure why this guy is just trying to troll this channel of all channels. It was pretty cool to celebrate 300 subscribers, and with that many followers, there's trolls bound to be in there somewhere. So I just wanted to address this for anyone wondering what's up with the dislike ratio. That's like my first video that ever got more dislikes than likes, and they're falling off rapidly. And then they're coming back and they're falling. So, for a guy who tries to claim to be a 10-year locksmith, he has his own channel. It rhymes with Mayhem. He has like 28 followers and a bunch of videos of him just bumping locks in a trench coat and black gloves. It's kind of weird. But I was trying to be as nice as I could to let him know, like, stop trolling. So I just had to block him because he started, kind of attacking more people in my comment sections. So I didn't want to muddy up my comments. So I just wanted to address the troll problem. But overall, it's not really bothering me. Just wanted to address it as it kind of looks odd when you come across that video. But I hope you guys are staying safe. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Those of you who are following kind of know what's going on with him. If I see him bothering more people in the comments, I'll just keep having to, I guess, block the guy. Or if you guys see it, just go ahead and block him. He's just a troll, so he's just going to kind of bait you into more and more arguments. So just in case you run across him, the name rhymes with Mayhem. You see kind of some of us talking about him in the comments below. Most of you guys know who he is at this point. So just wanted to put out this video real quick as I thought that was kind of funny. But, I hope you guys are staying safe. Good luck out there on your new jobs and your projects. And I hope you guys have a nice day.